Ignoring your health is a recipe for disaster. And when it comes to silent killers lurking beneath the surface, high blood pressure takes the cake. It's a sneaky villain, often showing no symptoms until it's too late. That's why taking control of your blood pressure is crucial. It's about empowering yourself, taking charge, and living a long, healthy life. Enter the Checkme BP2A and BP2, portable blood pressure monitors designed to be your partners in this vital mission. But are they all they're cracked up to be? Buckle up, because we're diving deep into a real-life review, dissecting their features, comparing their strengths, and uncovering any hidden weaknesses. Unboxing the Checkme BP2, a feature face-off. Both the BP2A and BP2 boast sleek, user-friendly designs. They're compact enough to toss in your bag, making them perfect for on-the-go monitoring. The key difference lies in the additional ECG electrocardiogram functionality offered by the BP2. This allows you to not only measure your blood pressure, but also get a quick snapshot of your heart rhythm. Speaking of measurements, both devices utilize an upper arm cuff for optimal accuracy. They claim readings with up to 98% accuracy, which is on par with industry standards. Both come equipped with a large, easy-to-read OLED display, so you can see your vitals crystal clear, even in low-light conditions. Now let's delve into the nitty-gritty. The BP2A boasts built-in memory that can store up to 50 sets of blood pressure readings. This allows you to track trends and identify any potential issues. The BP2 ups the ante with the ability to store not only blood pressure, but also 10 sets of ECG data. This extra layer of information can be invaluable for those concerned about heart health. Connecting to the Checkmeverse app integration. Where the Checkme BP2A and BP2 truly shine is their seamless integration with the Checkme app. Connecting via Bluetooth takes mere seconds, allowing you to effortlessly transfer your readings for safekeeping and analysis. The app itself is a well-designed haven for your health data. It displays your readings in a clear, concise format, complete with graphs and charts for easy trend visualization. The app also offers some nifty extras. You can set medication reminders, track trends over time, and even share your data with your doctor, with their permission, of course. This comprehensive approach empowers you to become an active participant in managing your health. BP2A versus BP2, picking your perfect partner. So, which Checkme monitor reigns supreme? It really boils down to your individual needs. If budget is a primary concern, the BP2A is a fantastic option. It delivers accurate blood pressure readings, on-the-go convenience, and app integration at a competitive price point. However, if you're someone who prioritizes a more holistic approach to heart health, the BP2 might be the better fit. The added ECG functionality provides valuable insights into your heart rhythm, potentially offering peace of mind or prompting further investigation. The verdict: more than just numbers. Ultimately, both the Checkme BP2A and BP2 are powerful tools for taking control of your blood pressure. They're user-friendly, accurate, and offer valuable app integration. Whether you choose the BP2A's affordability or the BP2's comprehensive approach, you're investing in your well-being. Remember, these monitors are not magic bullets, but rather companions on your journey to a healthier heart. Now it's your turn. Have you tried the Checkme BP2A or BP2? Share your experiences in the comments below. Let's build a community of empowered individuals who prioritize preventative healthcare. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and hit that subscribe button for more health tech reviews coming your way.